learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this month, we're teaching you something very practical because you might want to ask someone for help or you have a question you need answered. Then you say, 请问一下, I have a question.
请问一下，
请问一下, but sometimes that also just means excuse me, okay? And 有什么事情, the person might answer, what do you need?
有乜嘅事情？
有乜嘅事情 ？OK， 这个通常到一个公司啊，如果说我要去开会啦，或者是去面试啊等等，对，因为那个不是我的公司嘛，哈、我们通常公司如果是熟悉进来就，Hey good morning，Hey good afternoon 就好了。但我们进一个公司可能要说，不好意思，请问一下哈，然后我是来面试的。Let's say you're going for an interview at a new company， 我是来面试的。
我係來，
That means I am coming。
面試嘅
啊，面試嘅，我就是來面試的。
我係來面試嘅，
我係來面試嘅，不是要吃面哦，是要來面試的。面試 that means an interview, okay? Or you're just there to find someone. Maybe you want to say, is Mr. Wang there? Is Miss Chang there? 可能要說，王先生在嗎？還是說張小姐在嗎？順便教一下大家怎麼說。
王先生，王先生，有才嗎？
啊。王先生 is 先生 that's Mr. And 有才嗎 that means
在嗎
is he here? Okay, 那如果是小姐的話呢？張小姐
總小姐有才嗎？
小姐 that's actually Miss. Okay, so in this case Miss Chang 總小姐有才嗎 Again, 有才嗎 that means is this person there? And finally, maybe you're just here for a meeting. 是要來開會的，對不對？所以就說，我來開會的。
我來開會嘅。
我來開會嘅，開會 that's meeting.
對，那海陸腔的開會，開會，
開會，好像我要 coffee， 要開會前要一杯咖啡，
最好是有那麼輕鬆嗎？
That's a different dialect for a meeting. All right, let's review this vocabulary. 面試 and interview.
面試
and then there's Mr. and there's Miss. 先生跟小姐。
先生小姐
and is he or she there? 有在嗎？
有才嗎？
And finally, a meeting. 開會
開會
and it's all about the Q&A where you ask someone, excuse me, can you answer a question? 請問一下 and what do you need? 有什麼事？
有乜嘅事情？
And there you go, another round of Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺只識張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.